Okay. All right. Day. Wait, what day was it yesterday? What day is it? It's the 5th today. Day 4 of the advent calendar. Bro, they're always so stuck. They're sticky. Why? Why is it focusing on Snorlax? Why's my camera Oh, there we go. That's better. Okay. Day 4. 4. More Tang Fastic. That's what I'm fucking talking about. I'll eat those later. I'm have one now. Just one. Just one now. Just one, and I'll eat the rest later. I want a cherry. Give me a cherry. Oh, I can't get to them. I need to eat this one first to get to a cherry. Wait. I just wanted a cherry. Okay. Cherries are so good, bro. Cherries are so fucking good. A little gift on it. Okay. Day 4, very simple one today. You and chat will be playing a Christmas quiz. Check your DMs. I sent you a link. Oh! Wait, Kahoot! Wait, can you do Kahoot with... Wait, I think I might need to buy an account for it, though. Don't you have to? Wait, let me see. I think I have to buy an account for it. You're rich. Alright, let me see. One sec. Alright, give me a moment. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Give me a sec. Log in. Play. Loading. Play with up to 10 people. Nah, bro. I want to play with like 100. To play with 100 people, it costs £23 a month. Brother.
Scamming fuck.
Can I count? Wait. Monthly. Monthly is £45. Annually, it's £23. What the fuck? Is there like a different version of Kahoot? If you're a bro boy, just say so. I'm not doing it for one quiz. Is there something else we can use, chat? Quizlet. Does that work for chat too? No. She made the quiz on Kahoot. No, I think it's just a Christmas trivia. It's not one that she made. It has like tens of thousands of plays. Quiz with quizzes. Quiz is. Quiz is. You still have to pay for this shit too. Wait. Wait. One sec. Continue Google. No. One moment, boys. One moment. Personal use. Wait. Pause. How many participants can I have? Oh, wait. I think I can have as many as I want. Here we go. I'm linking in chat. Here. Everyone can join this. Quizzes. Ah! Fucking hell! Okay, join the quizzes, guys. Join the quizzes. Fucking hell. It's lagging. Wait, is it because I have harder acceleration off? wait. No, it's available. It's on. The website's just broken. Alright, we're starting in in 1 minute and 30 seconds. Oh my god. It's not even going down. It's broken. Oh my god! I'm starting it. Stop saying emotes! Boys! You broke it! The website is broken! Start.
Zoil, I must say, you're rather suspicious. Why is it when it's Christmas Eve you're offline? Sus.
Which is the most
Wait,
popular on when to
it
play
all makes
Star?
sense now. The eaten cookies. The drunken glass of milk. You don't mean...
Who puts an angel? It is so lag. Fluffy Puppy is winning. Toys. White. Color. When your friend realizes that you're still ahead of... What was that meme? What was... Red and green. Why was there a Tyler 1 meme? Present. Oh my god, I'm so quick at this. Saint Nick. Huh? French Nate. Oh, I didn't read that fucking French part. I skipped. How did kids get Frosty Snowman to come alive? A button nose. No? Which Christmas movie most famous? Elf.
Zoil, would you play Lethal Company again or are you bored of it?
How is Elf not the most popular? What even is a Christmas story? What's a Christmas story? How does Santa Claus go back up the chimney? He winks his eye. Oh my God. Santa Claus come to town. 24th of December. Yep. Christmas Eve. Right answer's you. Oh my God, this is goofy. Last question. Cookies. What the fuck? Where am I? Dumbass 1. Reattempt a question you got wrong. Choose wisely. 3. Père Noël. This is not as good as Kahoot. It's not the same. I'm not paying £50 for Kahoot. I'm sorry, boys. I'm not paying £50 to fucking play Kahoot. There's no way. I have to pay annually as well. No shot. Who won? Do you get to see who got the highest? Live summary. I get to see everyone's rank. I don't know how you see. One sec. Christmas music. Let's get in a Christmassy mood. Study flashcard. No, I want to see everyone's rank. Maybe if I reload the website, or go back to the link I first put in chat. Who won? You can reattempt? So I can just cheat? Everyone has to finish it first. Oh, people probably exited. I'm not paying for Kahoot. There's no way. There's no way, mate. If it was like half the price, I would. It's just not worth. Let me see what happens if I just invite you and I can only get 10 people in anyway. Maybe it'll be like, oh, do you want to expand? Let me see. Classic mode. Here's the link. Let's see what happens. Player limit reached. Upgrade now. Let's see. £600 build annually. What the actual fuck? Dude, the thing is, it's $45.99, and that's only for 100 people. That's as many as I can only get 100 in. There was 250 in the last game we just played. So not even all of you are gonna even be able to play. That's a robbery, bro. It's an actual scam. Nah, bro. Is there a Christmas game mode for song trivia? Can we do that with chat? Try look it. Level up classroom engagement. Well, look it. Log in. Log in with Google. Okay, sign up. I wrapped it up and sent it. Zoil. By the way. Let's go. Who are you? I'm the teacher. Okay, let's look for one. Discover winter holiday trivia. Oh, here we go. Host. Oh. Player limit 60. Plus only. Brother. Why is everything behind a paywall, man? I'm just trying to be a good teacher. I'm trying to be a good teacher, man. School resources can't afford this. Bro, boys. Wait, I'm gonna try one. Battle Royale. Here we go. Host. Oh. Oh, okay. Solo. Starting energy for each teams. 5 is fine. Use random names. Allow student accounts. Same as option will hide account creation options for students. Hide account creation options. Fuck it, we don't need that. Solo. Host. Oh my god, it's lagging again. It's lagging again. It's fucking... Alright, start. 60's better than fucking 10. Wait, what is this? Step 2, answer questions correctly. Answer quickly to beat your opponent. Step 3, showdown. Answer correctly and more quickly to keep your energy. The last player of energy remaining wins. Oh wait, it's like 1v1s. Wait, who am I against? I'm against Kaizark. What the fuck is his quiz? Please don't be like that the whole time. I fucking beg. I beg. Did I win? Or did I lose? I won! Get fucked, Kaizark. What's next? What's the next question? Which one doesn't belong? Hot cocoa cookies, fruit snacks, candy cane. Fruit snacks. I can't click! Was I too... What happened? Oh, wait, that wasn't my round. That wasn't my round yet. Okay, gotcha. I already won, yeah. You're not in, you're hosting. Oh. Oh. Wait, really? Who's Warwick then? No, I think it's me. Look, one person hasn't. This is stupid. Match results. Yeah. Next round. Next round. So you're so full and smart. Thank you. Starting in 7 seconds. Round 4, boys. This website is terrible. It's 1 minute between question. What are these? Who is it answering? It's not me. I can't answer. That ain't me, is it? Someone else is called Warwick. How many questions is there for this? Oh, I leaked! Oh my God. There's 35 questions. No, chat, we're done with this. Chat, we're done with this. We're not doing 35 questions of this. It's gonna take 2 hours. Okay. Oh my God, I forgot about my wallpaper. Alright, that was fun. Alright, that was fun. Alright, now I've got to open up day 5. Day 5 on the advent calendar, boys. I can't listen to this song. Oh boy, what are we gonna get? Rocking around the Christmas tree. I'm gonna put number 4 back. Number 5. More sweets. I'll eat those later. And another note. Day 5, 20 sleeps to go. Today you have something special to do. Open parcel number 1 to see your activity today. Oh! Chat, I have parcels. I have parcels in my kitchen. Pause.
Holiday. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned
Big parcel. There's a red bag as well, and it says...
It's beginning to look a lot like
Number 1, enjoy. In the red bag, there's a couple things that might help you. You don't have to use them though.
Take a look at the 5 and 10.
Boys, I'm already getting gifts. It's not even Christmas yet.
Candy canes and silver lanes that glow.
I paid her £500 to do this, by the way.
Beginning to look a lot like
Oh!
toys in every store.
Gingerbread house.
But the prettiest sight to see is the holly that
Did you make it?
on your own front door.
Wait, this is a fucking huge one.
Pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is the wish of Barney and Ben.
She's so sweet.
Dolls that'll talk
She's
and
so
go
sweet.
for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen.
Yeah, we can do this.
Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like
Do not eat it.
Christmas.
That's what it's for. What do you mean? You make it and you eat it.
Everywhere you go.
Chat, should we do this today or tomorrow?
Tree in the Grand Hotel.
I don't know how long it's gonna
One
take.
in the park as well. It's the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's
Do it today, right now.
a lot like
Alright.
Christmas. Soon the
Uh,
bells will start.
Do I need anything for this?
And
Where are my
the thing
glasses?
that'll make 'em ring is the carol that you sing right
Yep, icing. I hope it comes with all of that. I would hope so. No? Maybe that's what's in the bag. Sprinkles? Piping bag?
It's beginning to look a lot like
More
Christmas.
sprinkles?
Toys in every store. But the prettiest sight to
White
see
chocolate.
is the holly that will be
Ew.
on your own
So I'll do it on a 12-hour stream.
door.
Did I save this for Thursday?
Christmas.
We'll do it today.
Once more.
No, I'll do it today. Fuck it, I'll do it today. No, I'll do it today.
Snow is falling all around me. Children playing, having fun. It's the season, love and understanding. Merry Christmas, everyone. Time for parties and celebrations. People dancing all night long. Time for presents and exchanging kisses.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight.
My stomach hurts. I have that effect on people.
Records play. All the old songs we love to hear. All I wish that every day was Christmas. What a nice way to spend the year. We're gonna have a party tonight. I'm gonna find that girl underneath the mistletoe. We'll kiss by candlelight. Snow is falling all around me. Children playing,
Having fun.
it's the season. Love and understanding.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Merry Christmas.
Sorry. trying to move everything in range. I wasn't expecting to do this today. Remove the rhyme. What rhyme? Rhyme. This is so scuffed. Okay. Fuck. That's fine. Merry Christmas. Alright. My headphones wire is so short, my headphone extender broke. Okay. That's fine. Maybe if I turn it. That's fine. Okay. This is in French.